Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick update of the JBL Boombox. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $400. Now if you want to see my full review on this, I'll leave the link for that up in the description too. Now on a side note, I'm a little bit under the weather, so y'all got to bear with me. Alright, so let's recap the features. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker. So that means you can pair this up to any phone, any tablet, any laptop, any device that has Bluetooth. You can connect this and play your music. Now you're getting 24 hours worth of battery time. Now I've been using this for a few months. I can co-sign on that. The battery life on this is ridiculous. Now even at max volume, you're still looking at 12 to 14 hours worth of battery. So that's pretty dope. Now the speaker is IPX7 dust and water resistant. So that means you could submerge this in water for 3 feet up to 30 minutes. So this is the perfect speaker to take with you to the beach, take it to the pool, drop it in the water, you're good to go. Now the speaker features JBL Connect Plus. So that means you can pair up to 100 of these together and chain your music. Now you got a 20,000 milliamp battery built in with dual USB chargers. So that means you could charge 2 phones, 2 tablets, 2 cameras, any 2 devices that you got, you can plug them into the speaker and charge them up while you're playing your music. Now, since this is an update video, let me answer a couple of questions everybody been asking me. Number 1, is this speaker worth $400? And the answer is yes. That's why I had to get another one. This is by far the best portable Bluetooth speaker that I got in the $400 department. Now, is this the best sounding Bluetooth speaker that I got? The answer is no. You still got the sound box, you got the diamond box, you got the bump box, you got other speakers that are louder, that have more bass, but you got to remember, those speakers cost twice as much and they're twice as heavy and less battery life. Even that Altec Lansing, the Expedition 8 that I did the other day, that speaker's dope also, but again, it's twice as big and twice as heavy. Now, is this my favorite portable Bluetooth speaker? And the answer is yes. Now let me clarify that because I said that the other night on my stream and a lot of people was confused. There's 2 different levels of portability. Now let me show you the easiest way I could define what a portable Bluetooth speaker is. Take a speaker like the diamond box or the bump box. That's a portable speaker. That means that it has a battery. Portable means that it doesn't have to be plugged in. So you can take it from your house to your backyard, take it from your backyard, put it in your car, take it from the car to the beach. That's portable. But there's 2 different levels of portability. With the JBL JBL Boombox, this is portable in the sense that you could carry this around all day. Now those other speakers I just named, you are not carrying those around all day. That Expedition 8 that I did the other day, 5 minutes of carrying that in one hand, you're going to have to switch hands. Another 5 minutes, you're going to wish you didn't have that speaker outside and have to walk around with. The easiest way to determine a good portable Bluetooth speaker is pick it up with one hand and then see if you can lift it upside down with one hand. If you can lift the speaker upside down with one hand, that's a speaker that you could carry around all day. So this is my favorite carry around all day speaker in the $400 department. One more question. How does 2 of these sound paired together? Now that's one question I can't answer just yet. So I got 2 of these. We're going to do a live test right now. But if it sounds anything like how one sounds, we're getting ready to get blown away. All right, so real quick, let's just go over the buttons. On the front, you got your Bluetooth pairing button. You got your volume up and down. You got your power button, your JBL Connect Plus, and your play and pause. On the bottom, you got a nice rubber stopper. It's going to keep it in place. There's your 2 bass radiators on the side. They're going to be vibrating like crazy. On the back, you got this little flap. Once you open that up, there's your 3.5 auxiliary in for non-Bluetooth devices. There's your dual USB chargers. All right, so you can plug in any phone cable, charge up your phones. There's your micro USB in. That's for updates. And there's your AC input. That's how you're going to charge up the actual speaker. Now, if you want to submerge this, just make sure that flap is fully closed and you're good to go. Now, you have another button right here, indoor and outdoor. So you can switch this if you're playing this inside. If you're taking it outside, put it on outdoor mode. Beautiful construction on this. I've been beating this up. Still looks brand new. Good to go. So let's power this on and we'll do a little sound test. All right, let me grab a phone. All right, so I got this paired up. So now let's do a little sound test. I'm going to take it over to my usual bike life video. For best results, plug in your headphones. Now I keep forgetting to mention this. Whenever you're watching a Bluetooth speaker video, plug in your headphones. Here we go, max volume. watching these vibrate. Look at that. One more bass drop. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. And like I said, this is my favorite portable Bluetooth speaker. You could walk around with this all day long with no problems. And I love watching the bass shake out of this. Crazy. All right, so I'm gonna unbox the second one. We'll use JBL Connect Plus, we'll pair them together, and we'll see how two of these sound paired up. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so I got both of these paired up, so now let's do a little sound test. And like I said before, make sure you got your headphones plugged in. Here we go. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, two of these paired up together is a major, major, major go. Is this going to be worth the price? The answer is yes. Now, of course, playing these side by side, you're not going to get the full effect. That's why I picked up one of them, I walked away, and I let y'all hear the sound between both speakers. If you get two of these, you're going to space them apart a little bit. They're going to sound incredible. Now, when you take this to the beach, this is my favorite part about this speaker. Look how light this is. I can flip this upside down, walk around with this. I can carry two of these easily, but whoever's coming to the beach with me, you're going to have to carry one for me. When we get to the beach, we're going to set up our little section. Nobody's going to touch us when it comes to the sound. This is incredible. Anyway, this is the JBL Boombox. Two of these paired up together, like I said, is going to blow your mind. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.